Hey guys, it's Vince. Today in this video, I'm really excited about not speaking about CNC hardware or electronics in general. I want to talk to you about most likely the most important topic when it comes to CNC, and that is how to make your machine the most profitable it can be with really just a couple quick tips. And in this particular video that was made by a past client, and he's a great guy, his name is Rick Perry, he's got a great YouTube channel, I recommend you guys check it out. He was nice enough to post this video, and what he's doing here, you can see he has all his little dog tags set up in this fixture he milled out, and basically what you're looking at is how to streamline the process of your workflow, cutting down your cycle times, and of course making your machine more profitable. I get asked this question a lot. It's probably the biggest question I get asked aside from hardware questions. And again, let's not forget what we're using our equipment for. And I know there's still guys out there that are saying, I'm just doing this as a hobby. Again, I'm 99% certain that will be for a specific time period. Over time, you'll get tired of it, or you'll just be missing opportunity, in which case you'll jump on making the money because, again, looking at this in the format it is, you will see just how powerful using automation is for your business model. Okay? Now, what we're going to be discussing here is, again, doing more along the lines of production type work. We're not looking at one-offs or custom, prototyping. A lot of guys do that, and believe me, there's a lot of money in that. Many of you already know that. However, to make your machine pay itself off as fast as possible and for you to become in black ink as fast as possible, I highly recommend looking for products you can do to where you're using the machine for a repeatable function, where we're doing more along the lines of production level machining rather than doing one-off type production, especially as you're learning, because there's more setup involved and then you're dealing with more tooling involved. The beauty of this process that you'll see here, there's no tool changes. In essence, he can expand this process with even more of these jig fixture plates to make up the entire table with and produce as many of these as he likes, basically cutting down his production time even more or producing more components at once. Again, time is money. So utilizing your equipment the way you're going to see outlined in this video, and again, I'm not going to cover the entire video. I want you guys to check it out for yourself. He does a fantastic job of going over how he's actually put in specific locations for the dog tags, utilizing G-code, utilizing offsets for profitability. And this is what I'm telling you guys. This is the most powerful functions of Mach 3 with these systems when you master them. And Rick is well on his way to mastering them. And again, what I really want to play for you, and this is the key point in this video, is the cycle time duration. He's got 20 tags here set up. I want to show you the cycle time duration for this to be done. And we're going to just play the video right from here. And again, of course, he is using my converted electronics, of course, on the 6040.
Okay, we're about done. We are at 1 minute and 20 seconds. There it goes for the second one. 20 tags, 20 work offsets, and 26 minutes and 2 seconds.
26 minutes and 2 seconds to do 20 tags. So let's just do simple math here, guys, because a lot of you guys, I want to really see this and really understand the gravity of this. Okay, let's hypothetically say, just hypothetically, let's say he's selling these at $5 a shot. He's doing 20, that's 100. Okay, and you figure he's doing roughly $100 gross in 26 minutes. Now, you've seen the room he has left on the table. Of course, seeing that room, you understand just how easy it would be for him to have maybe even 2 more rows of 20, and in which case he could be doing basically 300 units in about an hour and a half, guys. I mean, that is insane when you're talking over about $300 in an hour and a half of gross production. Okay? That is the power of automation. That's using it with a leverage factor that is insane. He's not pushing his equipment really hard. As a matter of fact, he didn't even have the spindle on. He's using a drag engraver. Okay? That's brilliant. Okay? He's saving his equipment. He found a way to make money with utilizing the equipment, and he's using leverage at what this equipment is designed for. This is the fastest way for you guys to make money. And I wanted to highlight this because understanding how a fixture is made is really the key to becoming extremely profitable. You can see how he has, again, the alignment is done on these perfectly. Like he said, he's using 20 offsets in Mach 3 so that once one offset is done for one positional area of machining, it moves right to the next, right to the next, right to the next, so on and so forth. And the entire unit does a full sweep, and then once she's done, he's done. 26 minutes later, he comes back, collects his profit off the machine, and he's ready to go. This is no different for any business model that's using two-dimensional formatting. And best of all, he's done this in another level that really needs to be blown up in everybody's mind, is that he's not doing a tool change. Okay, so if you can do two-dimensional work without doing a tool change and just doing simple cuts equals simple money in my eyes. Okay, two-dimensional cuts, no tool changes. He goes in, boom, 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 done, and his products are done, you're ready to go. And again, like I said, looking at the actual size of this table, you can see the potential he has to expand this any way he'd like. Okay? You guys should be looking at this, doing work that is more like one-off type products. I get asked about that a lot. You know, can I do wood engravings? Can I do this? Can I do that? Money will be there. If you guys already have a contract with for distribution of those components, it totally makes sense to go through with that. I'm definitely not telling you to change your business model. However, if you're just looking to make money, pure money, emulate what works. Emulate the big products that are out there. Do your research. Search for products already selling. I'm going to give you the most powerful advice you'll have. Search for products that are already selling in a two-dimensional machining format. Take those products that are not patented, either purchase one, re-engineer one, come up with whatever works, and start selling it. Once you validate, of course, that you're selling a product that's in demand. It's that simple. You're emulating a wheel rather than recreating it, and emulating it is the easiest way to make money. And again, doing production line production like you see here, this is the simplest way for you to become not only proficient with your machine and teach yourself a lot about the machining process. Once again, watch this video. Everybody should be watching this video from beginning to end. Any one of my subscribers, the knowledge in this video is amazing. Rick does a fantastic job explaining everything. And again, a CAD/CAM software he's using may not be what you're using. That's okay. You can message him. I'm sure he'll help you. But overall, this process, the beauty of it is, regardless of what genre you're doing with your CNC, for your general applications, this process can be utilized throughout the industry. Okay, it is in full scale, and what you see here is him not looking at the size of the component. I get asked about that a lot. His table, it's not a massive table, it's a benchtop machine, but I'm telling you right now, this is one hell of a powerful business model when you're using it with the right application, and he is. You guys all can learn from this. Again, I never stopped learning, and when I seen him put this video up, I jumped on it because I'm telling you right now, this is brilliance at its best, and I hope it helps many of you make as much money as possible. Again, for those looking to get into CNC, this video is also imperative just to see the leverage you have with automation. Okay, I don't care where you buy your automation from, whether it be the machine, whether it be the controller. I hope it's from me. I hope I've earned your business. But if not, I just want you guys to understand the power of the technology we have available. This is the easiest way to become profitable, without a doubt, that I've seen dealing with physical products you can get. If you're trying to sell a tangible product, without a doubt, as long as you can implement, like I said, two-dimensional cuts, try to keep the factor of using one particular end mill, and when I say that, without tool changes, you will have one of the most profitable business models out. Okay? Because I'll tell you right now, it will not take him long at all to sell a couple of these that pays off the entire investment. If he's buying these actual blanks and he does everything as I know he's a smart businessman is, he'll pay off that entire investment, and it's all gravy from there, guys. Because once everything is paid off as far as raw materials, this machine is not eating a lot of juice at his house. Okay, I'm telling you right now, the spindle isn't even on. Okay, so think about that. This is true brilliance. I hope it helps many of you. If you guys do have any questions, please message me. Again, you can message me direct at storm2313@gmail.com. Message me there for questions, quotes. I'll do my best to get back with you as soon as possible. Again, the shop has been really busy. If you guys want to message me at my eDealer Direct store, please go on to eBay. Again, the link will be in the description below. And please, I will also put the link to Rick's channel. Check his channel out. Watch what he's doing, guys. I mean, there's a lot to learn from a lot of different people. And when I see videos that are really right to the point and you guys can gain something from, I'm going to post them because this is amazing right here. I hope you guys utilize it to the best of your efforts. So once again, take care. Have a great weekend. Thank you.